All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Cadillac XT5. It is the 3.6 liter premium luxury model. Beautiful silver with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, navigation system, heated seats, alloy wheels, panoramic sunroof, super nice. Only 31,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper does have some scratches here. I guess these would all be, it's got multiple. The heaviest one here is about 3 to 4 inches right there, and these kind of are like light ones, but definitely not going to come out 100% with sanding, but they are there. 1 2 3 1 2 I don't want to call it, I'm going to say it's multiple scratches, but it's there. All right, the rest of it looks pretty good. Your hood looks pretty good. Yes, it does. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Do I? Yeah, some curbing right here, about 3 inches right there. Your tire third for this truck is just under 730 seconds, above 4. Let me double check that. That's right. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. And same 3 inches right here. All right, guys. Your tire thread on this, just under 730 seconds. Actually, at 6. We have a dent here. No paint off. About less than an inch right there. All right. This is, of course, your nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. And that's your nice sunroof. What that looks like. Very nice. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat with memory. Very nice. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system, which does come with 1 key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Turn on the right. There it is. Turning on the radio. With manuals, check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. It is turning on your maps right now. Got your AC controls right down below. It is heated and cooling seats apparently. There goes your map. All right, backup camera. Boom. All right, Navi system. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. All right, this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Your mileage. Wi-Fi connection off. Your mileage of 31,853. Looks good. Looks good. Of course, your panoramic sunroof. Let's open that up. Boom. Keep it moving. Does have your little buttons here. That opens up the rear hatch. So of course your rear passenger seat, what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Actually, let's go here, turn this on, and turn on my fog lights. All right, that way we can see that they're on and everything. All right, so another shot, boom, another shot, boom. All right, got your rear passenger, rear AC controls, heated seats, and AC vents back here. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have some scuffing here. We'll say 10 or more just to engulf that rear bumper. Other than that, we look pretty good. So at your rear trunk space, looks like pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. Those things back there are these little rails that run on both sides here and basically keep your groceries. Does have a spare tire with some tools. I took away your owner's manuals right there. And there is also a cargo netting back here. Power door. And let's check out your lift gate, which looks good. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. I'll say 2 inches right there. Tire thread is under 730 seconds, above 4. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Does have no, this is just tape. It's just tape, it looks like. Yeah, looks like I guess it was just tape. I don't see any curbing. Actually, give me 1 second, guys. Okay, thought it was stickers, but it's not. It seems to be some sort of curbing. I'll say 10 or more to engulf them all, but honestly, they are not like scratched. I don't know how to explain it. Tire 30 is under 730 seconds, above 4. Fog lights are working, headlights are working, sunroof is freaking working. This car is a thing of beauty, folks. Once again, a 2018 Cadillac XT5 with 31,000 miles, silver. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.